It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot key strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, hey, we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I am the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And for those of you that do not know, you better listen up. True Trading Group is a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards nominated and finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. But is that all that we are? Nope, sure isn't. True Trading Group is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, futures, crypto, for all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, also long-term investing. At True Trading Group, guys, we take that university level curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. These are tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator that lets you trade with fake money but real-time data, the Trading View charting software, trade ideas scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, and so much more. Yes, of course, as a member, you get access to all of our courses and all of our trade alerts, but you also get access to all these things. Now, the majority of retail traders don't use them because they're very expensive, $5-6 grand a year. It's a lot of money to ask. I know that. That's why we have spent years building relationships with these companies to put all these tools and products under one roof, on one platform, for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to thousands of the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. That is the True Trading Group community that we have members in 115 different countries. You also, of course, get all of our trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% for roughly now the last 4 years. And just in case if you're wondering why on God's green earth should I listen to anything this guy in a Yankee hat has to say, well, allow me to explain. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job right out of college. They did not let me touch $1 of the fund's money until I went through their educational training program. I was taught by professionals in a professional setting, in a professional way. I didn't have to figure out all this on my own by sitting in Discord chats and scanning through hours of YouTube videos. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Fast forward, and now I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. Along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of traders from all over the world to reach their goals. Like I said, we actually have members in 115 different countries. We're truly a global community at TTG. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free where myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests will drop golden nuggets to give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you become better trader. So if you have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any one of these live streams because we're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. These live streams can help you guys become better traders. These live streams can help you to make money. Make money through the great equalizer. That's what the stock market is. It's the great equalizer. It offers equal opportunities to all who participate for the potential to build wealth, regardless of their background, regardless of whether or not you have a full-time job, whether you have any experience whatsoever, no matter what existing wealth you have or do not have. It doesn't matter what gender you are. It doesn't matter what your sexual preferences are. It doesn't matter what your political affiliation is. It does not matter what your religion is, where you're from. Nobody cares. Stock market doesn't care. You have the exact same opportunity to buy the exact same stocks that the wealthiest of wealthy multi-billionaire hedge fund managers, the Warren Buffetts and the David Teppers and the Bill Ackmans of the world, you can buy all of the same stocks that they all own right now. Unfortunately, the saddest part is that about half of the country doesn't even own stocks, which is mind-boggling to me. But then when I think about it a little bit deeper, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because a lot of people are intimidated by the stock market. They think that it's a system that's rigged against them. They think that they need some fancy Ivy League education in order to be able to make the right decisions. They think that just because they don't have millions of dollars, that this really isn't for them. That since they work a busy job, this isn't for them. You're dead wrong. It's the biggest misconception that people have, and it's the reason why so many people don't take advantage and don't capitalize on the stock market is not because the stock market is rigged against you. It's not rigged. There's millions of traders all over the world that earn a living by just taking advantage of the movements in the market on a daily basis, never mind all of the thousands of hedge funds, across the country that take advantage of the market movements on a daily basis or on a yearly or quarterly basis, whatever it is. The difference is there's a right way and there's a wrong way to play the markets. There's several right ways, and actually there's several wrong ways. Unfortunately, the majority of retail traders and retail investors, they just go on social media and they see someone that says, hey, I got some special fail-proof system that we got some special fail-proof system. 10 minutes a day, you can make $1,000 a day. Just follow this one simple pattern. Use this one simple indicator. And the reality is that is complete garbage. It's complete BS. Those aren't really good educators or traders. They're good marketers. Now, if I told you, okay, that, wow. Sorry, guys. I just got a piece of news. Sorry. My team is sending me some messages right now behind the scenes on some other topics. Wow, that's crazy. But I forgot what I was even talking about. I just totally lost my train of thought, so I apologize about that. But most people don't take advantage of the markets, or they fail in the markets, is because they're trying to do it the wrong way. They treat the stock market like a casino, where they think that you need to be a fortune teller, you need to be a psychic in order to actually do well in the markets. I can tell you guys this right now. I've been doing this for over 17 years.
Yo, real quick, homie was found guilty.
Dude, what does that matter right now?
Read the chat. Read your chat.
Yes, yes, those are members, and they all know what you and I are talking about.
Yeah, but I haven't sent a text out until just now. So there's only 200 people here. Everyone's paying attention. What do you mean? Look at the chat.
I can see the chat. Okay. These are members, obviously.
Yeah.
That know what you and I are talking about. I'm just saying, there's no relevance to the live stream.
It's a little relevant.
How is it relevant to the live stream?
We're good. All right, I'm gonna crack open this Topo Chico.
You do that. You earned it.
And I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. And I suggest you all do the same. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Adam is quite pleased. Oh man. Well, anywho, as we get back to the live stream here today, there are a lot of common misconceptions that hold people back. And the reason why I like the markets the most is because of the uncapped potential. It's like I talked about this yesterday, the example of my sister, who's the school teacher. She could be the best damn school teacher. She's an English teacher, teaches high school English. She could be the best English teacher in the country. It doesn't matter. She'll never make $250,000 in a year. It's never going to happen. Her earning potential is capped. It's limited. And that is something that I disagree with strongly. I believe that if you're good at what you do, you should get paid more than somebody else that is not as good as what you do. And that's why I love the markets the most, because the market, your earning potential is truly unlimited. It's all a matter of scale. You want to make an extra $5,000 a year, 10, 15, 25, 50, 100, 500, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million. There's absolutely nothing that says that you can't. If you're good enough, you can. That's why I love this game the most, because it truly is a reflection of how good you are. I love that. So truly the markets are a great equalizer. Now, I told you guys, this has been one of the greatest market environments that I've ever seen in my entire life. Matter of fact, we were discussing on the live stream last night, we had 20 triple-digit gains alerted, executed, and capitalized on in True Trading Group in the month of October. And then the first 3 days of November, we were able to capitalize on them. Yesterday I said it was like 4 to 5. I believe it's 4. I got to go back and double check and confirm, but I know it's at least 4. Might be 5. I got to go back and double check and confirm it last week on how many that we actually had. So let's call it 4. I'll be on the conservative side. We had 4 triple-digit gains to start off the month of November. And I told you yesterday on our live stream, I told you guys yesterday that my goal for the month of November is to actually break that record. That was my goal. I told you that October was statistically the best month that we've ever had in True Trading Group, with 20 triple-digit gains alerted, capitalized on inside of the platform and on the community within just the month of October. That's just absolutely insane to get 20 triple-digit gains. Okay? 20. Unheard of. But then we come right back in the markets today. First day of the week. It's going to be a busy week. You got Fed members that are speaking all week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fed members speaking. Jerome Powell speaks actually twice this week. So the markets are going to be waiting on bated breath for everything that these Fed members have to say. The markets are currently sitting at a huge resistance level. We just got done with a 2-week sell-off, and that 2-week sell-off was followed up with a 1-week rip your face off rally. But the big question mark that everybody has is this still just a bear market rally, or does the move that we saw last week, does that really signify the end of a bear market? And does it signify that, is this the start of a new bull market? Is the soft landing picture really starting to come to fruition? Or is this kind of like the last hurrah before the economy starts to slow down and go into a recession next year? Like, is this just a bear market rally? And that's the biggest question that everybody has. I mean, everyone saw the markets just absolutely rip face. It was the strongest market, the strongest week that we had all year was just last week. Last week was the strongest week in the entire year. Now, November is in itself one of the strongest months of the entire year. November, December is actually technically and historically the strongest period of the year. And we've never had a red November after having a red August, September, October, when you go back to like 1946. So the chances of having a red November after having a red August, September, October is extremely low. Markets were oversold and they came back and they ripped your face off with a vicious rally last week. And the vicious rally last week gave us the 4 triple-digit gains. The massive 2-week sell-off in the end of October gave us, like 14 out of the 20 triple-digit gains that we locked in the month of October. There's the move. This volatility, this V shape that you guys see here, the 2-week sell-off and the 1 week rip your face off rally, but we've taken us right back up into a huge level of resistance. And I drew this line on the screen for you guys last night on the live stream, and I left it there here right now. This is right here, a beautiful level of resistance. You can see also that we have the 100-day moving average, which is that purple line you see on my screen. That's the 100-day moving average. And then you see we have this open gap that was tried to get tested and there was filled in October. And then you have this previous little support level back here from the end of August, right? That's why this is such a big level of resistance. And I told you guys yesterday that I feel we are not going to break through this level on the first attempt. That's what I said to you yesterday. I told you yesterday that I believe that the markets are due for a consolidation and a bit of a pullback. Today, textbook indecision, consolidation, doji candle, put it on the daily chart. You can barely even see it. You can see it right there on the screen. Just a very, very small, low volatility consolidation type of day right at this resistance level. And if you can push I want to get a little push right into that level. And then I'm looking for the market to then give you a bit of a pullback. I want to pull back and reset off of this level, get back down into the low 430s, and then start to settle in, consolidate, and digest. And I told you guys in the live stream last night, I gave you some top trade ideas. Those top trade ideas ended up working out very, very well today. You had Coinbase up there against resistance levels. You had Boeing for the short against resistance levels. You had Adobe up against resistance levels. You had Palantir looking for pullbacks to actually enter longs. A lot of the trade ideas that I gave you guys yesterday ended up working out very, very well today. And I believe these trades are really just getting started. And the same trade ideas that I gave you guys yesterday are the same trade ideas that I'm focusing on and I'm going to capitalize on. I believe that you're going to see a bit of a pullback day in the markets tomorrow. I think we're going to have a red day in the market tomorrow. You're going to get into more Fed speakers. I'm not talking about a big sell-off. I'm not talking about like a crash. I'm just talking about a regular textbook run-of-the-mill pullback. I think between Tuesday, Wednesday, I think you see a move back into the low 430s. And I'm going to look to capitalize on that move. We capitalized on it today. Today we had not one, but 2 triple-digit gains called out inside of True Trading Group that members were actually able to capitalize on. And you don't have to take my word for it. Members of True Trading Group are capitalizing on the trade alerts that are issued through the moderators. It's not just myself and the mods that make money from this stuff, guys. It's the members themselves, and you don't have to take my word for it. You can ask them. I'll ask them. Members, do me a favor. Type the number 1 if you're making money and you're becoming better traders because of TTG. Just go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. If you're making money, you're becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Anybody that's on this live that's not a member and you've seen the market crash 2 weeks ago and then rip face last week and you did not capitalize on that action at all, look at how many people are typing the number 1. These people, these are your peers, these are your friends, your family members, your coworkers. These are the people that are telling you that all of the hurdles, all the excuses, all the limitations you've put on yourself, they're all just nonsense. They're all just it's all part of your imagination. Oh, I have a full-time job. I can't do this. Oh, I lost money in the markets before. Oh, I have no experience. Oh, I have a small account. Oh, some other group scammed me in the past. All of those same excuses that you put in front of yourself right now and why you can't do this, these people have those exact same excuses. But yet now here they are telling you they're actually making money. They're becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Yes, Bully Bear says really nice gains. Michael went in today, first time seeing triple-digit gains like that, but I'm a new member, still doing my courses. Way to go. Moses Solis says, Michael went in today. first time seeing triple digit gains like that, but I am a new member. I'm still doing my courses. I'd love to hear that, Moses. I'm glad that you're part of the community. I am even more happy to see that you are going through the courses. I absolutely love it. Ken Horn, we killed it today. Absolutely killed it today. I made $350 in about 5 minutes, says Leonard. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. But this is this is the opportunity this market gives us. It's not normal to get 20 triple digit gains in 1 month. It's not normal to get 2 triple digit gains in 1 day. Today, Airbnb put options, triple digit gain, about 120, 125% gain to be exact. And then LIFW, 100% gain on the stock. Okay. We're not talking about an option trade. We're talking about a 100% gain on the stock itself. Bought it at $5.28, exited at $10.55. That's good for a 100% gain. Congratulations, all my members in True Trading Group. But are you surprised? You shouldn't be, because yesterday on this live stream, I got to give a big shout out. I got to give a big congratulations to everyone that joined True Trading Group last night. A shout out and congratulations to those of you that joined True Trading Group last night. Those of you that took advantage of our Veterans Day, Black Friday, Thanksgiving Day sale, which kicked off last night. Congratulations, those of you that took advantage of it. Those who act first are rewarded, and you were rewarded with 2 triple-digit gain trade alerts inside of True Trading Group today. I told you last night on the live stream that this was going to happen this week. I told you on the live stream last night that we had 4 triple digits last week, and I'm going to roll into this week, and I think we're going to have the opportunities to capitalize on more triple-digit gains. And I told you, I have a goal for members of True Trading Group. I have a goal for the moderators and the members of True Trading Group this month to break the record of 20 triple-digit gains in October. I want 21 in November. And it's November 6th, and we have 6 triple-digit gains already alerted inside True Trading Group. I have a video clip of you from last night's live stream that I want to share with you here right now. Usually I come on these lives and I'm like, hey, go ahead, take a look at my live stream last night. If you missed it, it's on this YouTube channel, which it is. And I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on these live streams and I tell you, hey, this is what happened yesterday. Hey, this is what happened today. I tell you exactly what I think is going to happen tomorrow. Now I'm sitting here telling you I think the markets are going to give you a pullback between Tuesday into Wednesday, and I'm going to look to capitalize on that move to the downside. But yesterday I told you that I believed that there's going to be tremendous volatility this week with all the Fed members speaking, the market's coming off a big rally, and I told you very specifically that I plan on hitting multiple triple-digit gains this week. I've got a video clip from last night's live stream. Again, this is not right now. This is from last night's live stream in case you missed it. Let's go ahead and play that clip. Listen, if you're not a trader, you probably hate Mondays, but as a trader in this market environment with this kind of opportunity, with this type of action, I love Mondays. I can't wait. I wish it was 9:04 a.m. I wish the market was opening in 26 minutes. I can't wait for tomorrow morning because this market's been on a tear. We've been on a tear inside True Trading Group. And folks, I'm just looking for more triple-digit gains. I want to see if we can top October's record. October with the 20 triple-digit gains was our best month of the year in True Trading Group. It was the most amount of triple-digit gains that we've had called out, alerted, and capitalized on from members. 20 in 1 month. I want to exceed that record in November. We are off to one hell of a start with 4 or 5 of them already, only 3 trading days into the month. And I want to see if we can keep that streak going. And I got some phenomenal trade ideas I'm going to share with you on this live stream. Very specific price action I expect from the markets this week. I want to show it to you. I want to give you my trade ideas. And I'm going to tell you some spots where I think we can capitalize on some of those triple-digit gains this week. There you have it. That was just last night. That was last night me telling you, hey, guys, I'm laying out the game plan for you. We're getting some more triple-digit gains this week, and that's why I'm saying congratulations to all of our new members that joined yesterday. We had a lot of people that joined, took advantage of the Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Veterans Day sale that kicked off last night. So congratulations, all of you that jumped in on that. What I will do here with you guys first is let's talk about some of those triple-digit gain trades, and let's start with Airbnb. So we had over 100% gain on put options on Airbnb, and then we had 100% gain on to the long side on LIFW, a small cap short squeeze. Now, Airbnb was a beautiful play off of a beautiful resistance level, and this is a textbook support when broken becomes resistance. You guys will learn this stuff as a member of True Trading Group, but as you guys can see, it does not take an experienced chartist like, yeah, I've been doing this for over 17 years, but you don't need to be doing this for 17 years to be able to see that this was a nice little level of support for Airbnb right around this $123 level. You guys can see that you broke it in the middle of October, and then you bounce back into it, resistance, and now look at this, bouncing back into it again and resistance. And for good measure, you've got that yellow line. That's the 200-day moving average that you guys can see on my screen. So what happened today? Shai, one of our moderators in True Trading Group, stepped in today once you saw that rejection up there at Friday's highs. So there's Friday's highs. I'll just show it to you. Right there it is. There's Friday's highs. There's that resistance from Friday. And then there's resistance there this morning. And as soon as this thing tried to break through, failed, and then dropped back to the downside and went red, as soon as the stock went red, Shai stepped in right there and bought put options on Airbnb at $1.25 was the entry, the $120 strike, Friday expiration put, and this thing just absolutely collapsed, rolled out of bed, and she starts ripping profits off the table, well over $3 a contract. Just an unbelievable move on Airbnb. This is, you're talking about a triple-digit gain that was entered, capitalized, and exited before lunchtime. This is not some type of thing that you got to sit in front of your computer screen all day, every day. This is get into the trade, get out of it an hour later, capitalize on a 100% gain, and call it a day. Think about what you'd be able to do with the rest of your day if you hit 100% banger in the first hour and a half of the day. What would the rest of your day look like? What would you do with the rest of your time? Would you spend time with family? Would you maybe work on a hobby? Would you maybe go to the gym, go to the spa, go shopping? Maybe just go take a nap, okay? Whatever the hell you would do. But that is a type of environment that we have in this market. This is just a textbook support. Once broken, becomes resistance. All of my members that are part of my accelerator program, we went over the difference between major levels versus minor levels. You can very clearly see in that daily chart of Airbnb that this is a major level of resistance. And the second that the market stops moving higher, listen, this is a weak stock. All right, you take a look at what Airbnb has done over the last week of trading. Look what the overall market did in the last week of trading. Look at this move to the upside on the SPY. Look at this move to the upside on the NASDAQ. What did Airbnb do while the markets were doing that? Absolutely nothing. So all it took was one day for the markets to stop moving higher. That's all it took for Airbnb to start moving back to the downside and for that resistance to come into play. This is textbook support becomes resistance. This is also textbook relative strength, relative weakness type of trading. And that's another trading style and a trading strategy that you guys will learn in True Trading Group is how to identify relative weakness to be able to capitalize on these trades. That's exactly what members of TTG did. Congratulations, all my members of True Trading Group that hit on that Airbnb trade with Shai. Congrats, congrats, congrats. That was one of two triple-digit gains for members today inside chat. What was the second one? It was LIFW. LIFW, absolute freaking monster. 100% gain on LIFW, in at $5.28, out at $10.55. And you know what? You know what I realized, like as I'm going through it, I'm talking on these live streams, that if you're not actually a member of True Trading Group, there's no freaking way you believe me. There's just no way. There's just no way that you believe that we had 20 triple-digit gains in October and we've already had 6 so far in the month of November. Don't take my word for it. Members of True Trading Group, true or false? Just comment, true or false. Members, did we or did we not hit LIFW today for 100%? Did we or did we not hit Airbnb put options for over 100%? Members of TTG, you tell me, true or false? Am I speaking truth or am I speaking lies? Anyone that's on here that is skeptical, anyone on here that has even a shred of doubt, watch the comments that come through chat. There is a reason why we're one of the finalists for Benzinga's FinTech Awards for Best Data Analysis Tool. And it sure as hell isn't because we're full of crap. It's because we have over 10,000 members from 115 different countries, and we are truly making a difference and having an impact in the success of retail traders and investors all over the world. And that innovation and that achievement and that progression is what has brought us to be one of the finalists for the Benzinga FinTech Awards. It sure as hell isn't because I teach some special super top secret strategy that Wall Street doesn't want the little guy to know about. This is what takes place inside of this community day in and day out. And if you are still not a part of it, I have nothing else to say except I am sorry and I wish you nothing but the best of luck. But trading this environment on your own, trading this environment in some random Discord, or just by following what Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat tells you on Reddit, you are dead in the water. You are a sitting duck. You are a sitting duck for traders like myself and traders that are part of True Trading Group, because you need to start understanding that when you buy shares, when you buy options, you are buying them from somebody else. You are not just buying them off of the shelf somewhere. If you buy shares of a stock, that means somebody else is selling them to you. Do you trust yourself? Do you believe in yourself, your knowledge, your skill, your ability to go up against someone like myself? If it comes down to it, you're buying shares and I'm selling them to you. That means obviously I think the stock's going down and you think it's going up. Who's right? How do you feel about that? You need to start thinking about that when you guys go ahead and you're putting your money out there in the markets. Money's not made and lost. Money doesn't disappear. Money doesn't just poof, get created out of thin air unless you're Jerome Powell. In the markets, money is just transferred. If I make money, which we did today, plenty of it, that means somebody else lost it. Somebody else lost it. Maybe it was the person that shorted LIFW at $5.28. They sold shares to me at $5.28 because they thought the stock was going to go down. I thought it was going to go up. Who won? You had a lot of traders that probably blew their accounts up today in LIFW. That got squeezed till all hell. LIFW is a very volatile trade. It's a small cap. It's a short squeeze. These trades don't tend to happen every single day, but when they do, my goodness, do we jump all over them in True Trading Group. And there's one very specific indicator that I want you to look at right now. There's one very specific lesson that I want to go over with you guys. And here's the other thing. As a member of True Trading Group, one of the things that separates us from a lot of other groups out there is you don't have to worry about chasing trade alerts as a member of True Trading Group. The moderators and I share our screens with you during the day, so you see exactly what we see. We talk to you on the microphone during the day. You know exactly what we are doing. I told all of my members in True Trading Group when this stock was halted around $5.80, I told everybody, if this thing drops back into the 520s, I'm going to buy it. I told all of my members, I'll zoom in for you guys just so we can recap this trade. And again, I don't want you to take my word for it. So right here, this is exactly what the stock looked like. This is a halt, okay? This is a halt. Not bad, not a bad business, 10 million a year. Yes, absolutely. It is a fantastic business, and it's a $10 million a year business because it works. So yes, Ryan. Members of True Trading Group, do you think that True Trading Group deserves to be a $10 million a year business? Members of True Trading Group, do you think we deserve to be? Yes or no? Just say yes or no. Members of True Trading Group, just say yes or no. What did you think, Ryan? What did you think my reaction to that was going to be? True Trading Group is a business with 10,000 customers and 30 employees from all over the world. And the reason why we have that many members is because it works. You think we'd have this many members in 115 different countries because we're just peddling shit all day long? Or you think it's because members are actually making money and they're becoming better traders? What do you think it is? Why do you think we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews? Why do you think our refund rate is less than 2.5% for the last 6 years? Why do you think that we have a 78% retention rate? Why would 78% of our members continue to be here after their membership was up? Why would they renew their membership? Why would they become lifetime members of our community? Let me show you something real quick, Ryan. Members of True Trading Group. If you are currently a lifetime member of our community, or you have been a member for longer than 1 year, type the number 1 in chat. Now ask yourself this. Ask yourself, why would this many people stay if they were not having success? If they did not feel that True Trading Group was worth the time, money, energy, and effort that they put towards it? Why would this many people still be here? Anyone that's watching this that's not a member, would you stay? After your year membership was up, would you renew your membership if you weren't having success? When your year membership was up, would you opt to become a lifetime member of True Trading Group if you were not having success? Of course you wouldn't. Of course you wouldn't. I wouldn't. I sure as hell wouldn't. There is a reason why we have a 78% retention rate. There is a reason why we are a finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. And the reason is what we have created works. Results. Not my results, not the moderator's results, but members' results. It's the reason why when you join True Trading Group, we offer you a double your money back guarantee. And the double your money back guarantee is based on your P&L, not mine. I believe so strongly in the platform that we have created that when you join True Trading Group, is if you go through our courses, if you pass our quizzes and you attend one free study group session, we do study groups every week. I'm asking you to attend one of them. They're free. They're included with your membership. If you do that and you are unable to make enough winning trades during your membership that equals what you paid for your membership, I'll give you back double your money when your membership is up. There's not a single other group, community, program, platform out there that's going to offer you double your money back. I can do that because our refund rate is less than 2.5%. Let me see real quick. How many people are actually on the live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group? Just do me a favor, type TTG if you guys are not a member, please. Just type TTG right now in chat. If you're not a member, it'll help me understand how many people that we have here that are not part of the community that maybe don't know these things. And I know it might sound tedious, but just type TTG in chat for me real quick, guys. Let me see who we have here that's not part of the community. We have Jay. We have Sophisticated. We have Mojo. Just type TTG if you guys are not a member. Leonard goes, TTG retains more customers than a dialysis patient retains water at a salty Mexican buffet. We've got David, Anthony, Moho, Sophisticated, Jay. Go ahead, guys. Just type TTG for those of you that are not members of the community. All right, so I got a handful of non-members that are joining me here today. Wilbert, what's up, man? So a bunch of non-members are joining me. Here's the deal. Those of you that are not members of True Trading Group, okay, let me just tell you right now, before I get into kind of the rest of my analysis on the overall markets, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think is going to happen in the markets over the next couple of days. And I'm going to tell you the stocks that I am really lasered in and I'm focused on. Antonio Morales, what's up, brother? So those of you that are not members, I just want to let you know, we did start our Veterans Day, Black Friday, and Thanksgiving Day sale. This is how it's going to work. Normally our membership is $2,212 for the year. That's $184 a month. It's $6 a day. However, since we started this sale, we offer you a 54% discount, which means you're only going to pay $1,007 for the entire year. Okay. That entire year, it gets you access to all of the courses and all of the tools that are on our platform for 12 months. There are no upsells for courses. There are no additional costs for tools. All the courses and tools are included for the $1,007. What I would want you to do right now is go to ttgoffer.com. Again, ttgoffer.com. Then you'll see the price says $2,212. Manually use this coupon code, TTG121. Click apply code. The price will then drop down to $1,007. Every single thing that you see on that page is included in your membership. Every item on ttgoffer.com is included for the $1,007 when you use the coupon code TTG121. And we have 12 laptops remaining. The next 12 people that do join here this evening will get themselves a brand new free Windows laptop. It comes with Microsoft 365 for the year. It's a brand new laptop. It's totally free. We cover the shipping. You don't have to enter your address when you sign up. You're going to get a welcome email after joining with instructions how to claim that laptop. We have members in 115 countries. No matter where you are, as long as you live on Earth, I'll get you that laptop. What is the renewal fee after a year? Great question, MM. The renewal fee, when you join True Trading Group, another one of our policies is the price you pay when you join, you're grandfathering yourself in at that price. So if you join today and you pay $1,007 for the whole year, next year when your membership comes up for renewal, our membership could be $2,500 at that time. It doesn't matter. You'll only pay $1,007 to renew. And I'm confident you're going to want to renew. That's a big deal because our retention rate is 78%. So I'm pretty confident you're going to want to renew your membership once that year is up. But you'll only pay the $1,007 again if you want to renew. You don't have to pay the $2,212. The $2,212 is the price that you would pay to join our community if you were to go to our website just on your own. But you're on this live stream with me. That means you're interested in the markets. You're motivated. You're dedicated. You're putting forth an effort to actually learn and to listen to somebody that has more experience, that has more knowledge, so that you guys can start making better decisions. I love that. If you're going to spend the time with me on these live streams, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, but then also use this coupon code so you guys don't have to pay the full price. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. You're going to get our entire 23 course curriculum. It is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. There's no upsell for additional courses. There's no VIP courses. They're all, I'm not going to give you guys half the solution. They are all included. So if you pay the discounted price during Black Friday, are you grandfathered in at that price? Yes. But I'm telling you guys now, the way that we're doing our Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and Veterans Day sale is the following. Every 24-hour period, the price of our membership is going up. Okay. So $1,007 is the cheapest you're going to be able to get a membership to True Trading Group. Tomorrow, it's going to be more expensive because I believe the people that act first deserve to be rewarded. And the people that acted last night were rewarded. And not only were they rewarded with the sale price, they were also rewarded with 2 triple-digit gain trade alerts executed, capitalized, called out inside of TTG today. And if you guys can't be in front of your computer during the day, don't stress it. We literally built this platform for people that are busy. 82% of our members have full-time jobs. That is why we have a mobile app. If you have an iPhone or an Android, we have a mobile app. Download it. You will receive real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions. We are not micro scalpers. We don't make 150 trades a day. We're not in and out within seconds. Our day trades last hours long. Our swing trades last days, sometimes weeks long. All you need to do is just, here's your phone. You get a notification, just like you would get a text message, just like you would get an Amber Alert. You get it in real time via our mobile app. You see, oh, Mike bought this stock. You can log in, buy it, set a stop loss, go back to your business. I tell you, and the moderators tell you our entry price, and we tell you our stop loss. So you don't have to guess when we're getting out of the position. You know, in the alert, we tell you this is our entry, this is our stop loss. So you can get the alert, take the entry, set your stop loss, and go about your day. I don't expect you to be sitting in front of your computer all day long. Lean on us to do the heavy lifting for you. There are 9 professional traders in True Trading Group. Every day, we give you our watch list. We tell you, these are the stocks we're focused on. This is the price we're looking to get in. These are the prices we're looking to get out. So you know what to focus on before the day even starts. Lean on us to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. On top of the courses, you're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. You're going to get congressional trading data, track trades by Congress, insider trading, track trades by management. You're going to get real-time data, level 2 from Quote Media, TradingView's premium charting software, a simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money but real-time data. The trade idea scanner streams on our platform, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal to track your trades for you. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. All of this is included when you join for the $1,007. If you were to go to these companies on your own, if you were to go to TradingView, Trade Ideas, Benzinga, ETNA, Quote Media, etc., you are going to spend around $5,000 to $6,000 a year to have access to these tools. That's why most retail traders don't use them, because they are expensive. However, I think you need them because they give you more information, they help you make better decisions, and they increase your chances of success. That's why we spend years building relationships with these companies. This way, you can start using these tools without having to pay $5,000 to $6,000 a year. Just join True Trading Group for $1,007 and you get access to it for 12 months. Guys, this is why we are a Benzinga FinTech finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. And Gerardo Rendon, your question tells me that you need our curriculum and our education more so than most, because that question tells me that you do one very core, basic, fundamental part of trading totally and completely wrong, and it comes down to position size and risk management. Just asking that question tells me that you do that part incorrectly, and it's one of the biggest reasons why a lot of inexperienced traders fail, is because they think that you put the same amount of money into each trade. The fact that you're asking how many option contracts do you buy on average, that is going to vary trade by trade. Now, I trade equities, but other traders that we have trade options, other traders that we have trade futures. You should not be buying the same amount of contracts for every single trade that you make, Gerardo, because every single trade carries way different risk and much different volatility based on where your stop loss is. If you just said, I buy 10 contracts, well, if you buy 10 contracts of an option that expires in 2 days versus buy 10 contracts of an option that expires in 2 weeks, and if you buy 10 contracts of an NVIDIA option versus buying 10 contracts of a Bank of America option, you, my friend, are risking an entirely different amount of money. You're talking about one trade, you're risking $5,000. The other trade, you're risking $100. The risk is relative to the volatility of the trade that you are making. What I will teach you as a member of True Trading Group is how to make sure that you risk the same amount of money each trade. You should not have the same position size on each trade. Position size and risk are not the same thing. Risk is how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. Position size is how much capital is in the trade in order for you to risk that dollar amount in case you are wrong. You must maintain consistency in your risk, not consistency in your position size. I'll give you an example. I can put, let's say if you wanted to risk $500 on a trade, if that's your risk tolerance is $500, you can buy a next day expiration SPY option and put $1,000 in it and you'll lose 50%. You will lose $500. Then you can put $50,000 into a small cap at $10 and you can stop out of it. Okay. And then you can lose $500. Then you can put $500,000 into McDonald's or Nike or something else and then still lose $500. It is all relative to the risk that you are taking on a trade. Some trades carry a 50% risk if you're trading a next day expiration option, but then you might trade a large cap stock and you're only risking 0.5%. Your position size will be totally different, but your risk will actually be the same. So one very core fundamental aspect of risk management and position sizing that you guys need to know. I'll teach you all of this when you guys become members of True Trading Group. If anybody has any questions, I want you to send us a text message to 1-888-306-8783. That's 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of your screen. We're open book. We're fully transparent. If you have any questions, you text us. And then also, listen to me carefully. If you guys used to be a member, you used to be a trial member, or you currently are a trial member and you want this deal, you have to send us a text message because we have to whitelist your email address. So send a text message to that phone number right now, and we'll get you guys taken care of and hooked up, get you guys whitelisted on that email address so you guys can start taking advantage of the $1,007 price point. The next 12 people to do so will get themselves a brand new free laptop. As long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. There's that laptop. You see it, you're getting one. And you got the double your money back guarantee, which quite frankly, I don't think you need, but it's there for peace of mind and there to hold us accountable. Our refund policy is real. It is right there in black and white. Read it. All right. Let's move back on over to LIFW. The lesson I want to go over with you guys for this trade is all about an indicator that I use that we call the trade line. Don't go looking for the trade line on your charting software. You're not going to find it. That's a common term. That's a slang term that traders use. The 9 EMA is the trade line is the 9 exponential moving average. Now, some traders use the 8 exponential moving average. Some use the 10, the 11, the 12. They're all extremely similar. I use the 9. You can use the 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. I use the 9. One of our other moderators uses the 8. Okay. They're going to be very, very similar. There'll be a couple of pennies off. Okay. The 9 exponential moving average is listen to me carefully, a momentum indicator. It is an indicator that will only be relevant when a stock is experiencing a momentum directional move. If a stock is going through a consolidation phase, it will not be relevant. All right. Now, this is one of the indicators that I use in my trading. I use it on my intraday charts. I use it on my 3-minute, my 5-minute, my 15-minute. We also have it on the daily. It's a momentum indicator. Okay. When a stock has momentum, the trade line will tend to act as support on the way up and resistance on the way down. Now, there's one particular setup that I teach that's called a trade line VWAP crossover, which is when a stock has a big volume surge, when a stock has a clear directional momentum move. When you get the trade line crosses over VWAP, that is a buy signal. And then you look for the trade line to be support then going forward. So whenever the stock pulls back to the trade line, you buy it, and then you get the bounce off the trade line while the momentum continues. We have to welcome Steven. Steven just joined. We're down to now 11 laptops. Steven, welcome to the community. Glad to have you part of the team. 11 spots remain. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to just $1,007, down from the normal $2,212. All right. There you guys have it. Welcome to the TTG fam. 11 of those spots remain. So LIFW shoots up and then halts. This little dash, that dash is a halt. We halted at $5.87. At that moment, I came on the mic and I told members of your training group that hey, if we pull back into the 520s off of this halt, I'm going to buy it. Why? Why did I say that? Because this teal blue line, this teal like blue line you see right here, that's the 9 exponential moving average. So what I'm looking for is, here's your trade line VWAP cross. There's your increase in volume when you got the cross. There's clearly directional momentum as the stock is squeezing face. So I said, okay, let's see if we pull back into that trade line. Let's look to become a buyer. So I told my members while the stock was halted, I came on the mic. This is how I do it every time. True or false, members? Literally, true or false, type it. I come on the mic and I say, okay, guys, if the stock pulls back into the 520s, I'm going to buy it. My stop loss is going to be underneath VWAP, right underneath 450. Verbatim what I said to members. So this way, before the stock gets there, you know where I'm buying. I told you, 520s, I am buying LIFW. Where's my stop loss? Underneath 450, 440, 445. That's my stop loss. So now you know exactly where to get in and you know exactly where to get out. That helps you determine how many shares do you want to actually go ahead and buy. So that everybody knows the deal before the market even opens back up from this trading hall. Then, now where did I get that from? Valid question. Let me show you. Let's go to the daily chart. We go off to the daily chart, and what I see when you get to this daily chart is, see this purple line? See this purple line on my screen? This purple line is a 100-day moving average. This little pink purple line, you can see it was resistance back there. And then you can see it was resistance all here. Well, we shot above that, right? That was sitting at $4.50, right? Or at the time that was sitting like, right around $5 actually. Okay, that purple line that you guys see on my screen. So I said, okay, I'm looking for that to become support now. And then you had a nice resistance level up there around $7.50 to $8. And that's where I was like, okay, I think we can get this thing to $8. That's why I told everybody, go, guys, I think this stock can get to $8. I'm going to take the bulk of my position off at $8. I'm going to hold on to some because if we squeeze, it's got room to like 10.50 and then maybe 13. That was what I told everybody inside True Trading. It even went a little further. It even went a little further than that. But that is where I said I'm going to be a buyer. And then what do you know? Right out of the halt, boom. Look at that. Now pay very close attention to the candle that you see on my screen. You dropped right to where? The low is $5.07. Well, I just got done telling all of our members that if this stock gets into the 520s, I'm going to buy it. And I said my stop loss is going to be underneath VWAP. VWAP is this orange line you see on my screen at $4.50. So right there's my stop loss. Okay, here it is. I'll make it red just so you guys can see. If this price was reached, okay, if that price was reached, I would have been out of my position. I would have taken a loss and I would have moved on. I would have looked for something else to trade. But we dropped right into my buy zone. I'll highlight my buy zone in green. We dropped right into the buy zone. Okay. There's your buy zone. Why is this the buy zone? Because it's right in front of what? The trade line, right? There's that trade line, that teal blue line that I just got done telling you guys. We dropped into it. Boom. There's my buy zone. $5.28 was the entry for the long. And folks, this thing absolutely freaking exploded. Are you kidding me? Look at this rip. Look at this thing. This thing went all the way to $16.50. Okay, I'm sorry, $17.50. Look at this move. I bought this thing all the way here at $5.28. STR members, and do me a favor and answer the poll in the STR chat. Okay, this is for STR members. If you guys are in STR, just make sure you answer that poll that Adam just sent out. But nonetheless, there's the entry at the trade line, right? You see we dipped into the trade line, we took the long, and the stock just absolutely explodes. And what I want you to notice is look at how we hold the trade line. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this support. See how you're holding support at the trade line? See that support, support, support? Look at this. Okay, support. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at this. It looks so simple after the fact, doesn't it? But once you learn, look at this. Once you learn this, guys, I'll teach you this. Look at this move. Oh my goodness, my Lord. Look at this move, right? And then just, okay, when that trade line breaks, boom, exit your position. There it is. That's it. Now that's a 3-minute chart. What about a 5-minute chart? Let's take a look at that. Look at the trade line on the 5-minute chart. Same thing. Look at this. Here's 5-minute chart. Look at this support. Riding the trade line, folks. Riding the trade line. Was just an absolute monster home run of a trade. Now, again, only to be used when a stock is experiencing a directional momentum move. Now, directional momentum does not last all day. It's actually, typically directional momentum could be about an hour and a half long. Okay, stocks get tired. Right? This case, you had directional momentum last for about an hour and 45 minutes. Okay. Directional momentum. If you're a day trader, you can get into your position, hold on to it for an hour, wrap it up, call it a day. But you got to find the stocks that have that directional momentum. That's what we're for. The moderators and I are with you all day, every day. We're with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're not just there for an hour and then you're just left to fend for yourself after we're done with our day. We're there with you the whole day, answering questions, calling out trades, providing commentary and analysis from what we see that's going on during the day. We'll help you find and identify these type of setups. Anybody have any questions on LIFW? Or Airbnb, the 2 trades of the day today. These are not 1, but 2 triple-digit gains called out inside of True Trading Group. 10.55 was my final take profit in at 5.28. Any questions on LIFW? While I take a little sip of water. No questions. Excellent. Great. Let's head on back on over to the overall markets. And let me tell you guys what I'm thinking about here for the rest of the week. I'm looking for the SPY to push up to around 437, 437 and a half. Looking for us to get up into that zone and then give you a little bit of a pullback. Like I said, I don't think we're going to break above this level on our first attempt. One of the things that you guys will learn is that when you identify major levels of resistance and major levels of support, typically it is very difficult for a stock to break that level after experiencing a very large move into it. You got to think of stocks like just as a person. If you run too far, too fast, you get tired, right? Same thing goes with a stock. When a stock runs too far, too fast, it exerts a lot of energy. It gets tired. And then when it reaches a major resistance level and it's tired, it's very difficult for it to break through the resistance. It typically needs to pull back, consolidate, recharge its battery, rest, get a drink, get something to eat, take a nap before breaking through that resistance level once it's refreshed, it's recharged, and it builds back up some energy. I believe that the markets last week exerted way too much energy to get up into this resistance level, and I just don't think we're going to be able to clear it on our first attempt, meaning I don't think the market is just going to do this. Okay, I do not believe this is the price action that you are going to see. What I do believe you're going to see is an attempt to break through the 100-day moving average, which sits at 439. So I think we might push up to like 437.50, 438, and then I think you get a little bit of a pullback off of that level, and I think you can get a chart, a candle that looks something like this. All right. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, is a candle that looks something like that as we pull back away from this level and get back into the mid to low 430s. I think you at least pull back to 433, possibly pull back to 431. That is my target for the pullback. I'm not looking for some massive crash. I'm looking for just a normal pullback consolidation back down into those mid to low 430s. You got a lot of Fed members speaking this week. Maybe they rattle the cage a little bit. They get people a little nervous. That's all I'm looking for. And the stocks that we talked about yesterday are still very much in play. We discussed Boeing yesterday, right? Boeing was one of the top trade ideas for the week. We talked about Boeing back against this resistance level there, 197. You guys can see we had this beautiful level of support, right? You broke it back there in September. It then became resistance, and then it's resistance again. There's the 50-day moving average, and you guys can see you found resistance there on Friday, and then you see nice little red candle pullback. I'm also eyeing up Coinbase very, 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 very closely, man. I'm eyeing up Coinbase big time. I told you guys about Coinbase. We tried to get up into this resistance level up here in the high 80s. As Bitcoin flirts with 35K. We were unable to break through that level today. You got to see what happens with Bitcoin, but I'm stalking Coinbase. I'm pretty neutral on Coinbase right now. I'm just playing it off this level. If this thing breaks through like 89, I think you can probably get a long up to 94, 95. But if we start dropping back underneath 85, this thing probably drops to at least 80. If Bitcoin gives you any type of a pullback, Coinbase pulls in. You just got to keep your ears open. If you're going to trade anything crypto related, keep your ears open to updates from the SEC regarding the Bitcoin ETF. All right. And then Palantir, we talked about Palantir yesterday as well. Palantir is a long idea that I actually like, and we did a nice job today of getting into that support level, which used to be resistance. We tried to hold it there today, and I'm just looking to see if over the next couple of days we can get a little bit more upside out of Palantir. I think Palantir's got a shot to get up towards $20, so we're going to try to stay on the long side of that with support down there around $18.25. $18.25. All right. We got to welcome Gary. Gary's the newest member of the group, guys. We're down to just 10 of those laptops now. Everybody welcome Gary, newest member of the True Trading Group family. Welcome, Gary. Guys, 10 laptops up. Remember, if you go to ttgoffer.com and you see a laptop icon in your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one. You see that laptop icon, you see one, you're getting one. So if you're watching this live after it's aired, you see that laptop, you're getting one. All right. And there it is, folks. That wraps things up. That's trade analysis from the day, trades of the day, 2 triple-digit gains today. That brings us to 6 on the month. That's a triple-digit gain a day. That's basically what we're doing. It's November 6th. We've had 6 triple-digit gains, even though we've only had 4 trading days. We got 6 triple-digit gains in 4 trading days. Congratulations, members of True Trading Group. Congratulations, moderators of True Trading Group that have been trading absolutely lights out, on fire. Let's keep this hot streak going. I told you, I got big expectations for November. We had 20 triple-digit gains in October. I want 21 in November. We already have 6. We are on pace to break that record. Let's keep it up. Now, for those of you that are not interested in True Trading Group, you can sign off the live stream. I'm done with the analysis. For those of you that are interested, let me show you the platform of what True Trading Group actually looks like so you guys can get a feel for what that $1,007 is actually going to get you, because it is an all-inclusive membership. You've got our chat room, which you see on the screen. Our chat room is where the moderators and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions, providing market commentary. You get the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit trades. You got the mobile app that lets you use, get the real-time push notifications. So if you're not in front of your computer, you can be notified when our traders get in and out of positions. All right. You guys will be able to also get 2 small private study group sessions with our mods to speed up your learning curve. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data and insider trading to track trades by management and members of Congress. You got the TradingView premium charting software, which is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you to focus on the hottest stocks during the day. You got a simulator that lets you trade with fake money, but real-time data so you can practice without risking any money. You got our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You got dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. It's all included. Some of you may pay for this stuff already. It's included. You don't have to pay $1 extra for it when you join TTG right now for the $1,007 for the year. A trading journal tracks your trades for you. A social sentiment scanner tells you what stocks are being talked about most on social media. You got analyst ratings for any company that you're interested in. You got our watch list every day that the mods publish telling you what stocks we're focused on with detailed entry and exit points. Then you got the courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it. We've got it. You get access to all of it. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you guys join. They're all included. Then you got a video library with nearly 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics, and you can attend these workshops live once you become a full-time member. Guys, listen, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just because you join True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you do join, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, use the platform. Don't just sign on to our site 5 times all year and say I didn't make any money. Use the site. If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you've paid for your membership, we will give you guys back double your money. You're going to pay $1,007 to join. We'll give you back $2,014. That's the deal. Our refund rate, our refund policy is right there on our website. Go read it. It's in black and white. Go read it. Yes, it is real. It is right there. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop to $1,007. You see a laptop, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address or get a welcome email when you join with instructions how to claim that free laptop. We have a 78% retention rate. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. And our refund rate is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 10 or 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you guys double your money back. Since it's less than 2.5%, I can. All you guys got to do, go to ttgoffer.com, use that coupon code TTG121, click apply code. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, or if you used to be a member, used to be a trial member, or are currently a trial member, you guys have to text us 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Congratulations again, members. Not 1, but 2 triple-digit gains called out today inside True Trading Group. Let's keep that streak going. I expect another great day tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. I'll see you all in chat.